I think a year from now, I would already have solid experience working in the industry, probably even some projects that are live or in use, while others still might be confused and focused on learning classrooms. I will be ahead, more confident, more accurate, and closer to the career I want to achieve.
Pallav, let's start with you. Can you introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Pallav Drolaria. I am from Gujarat. I scored 82.2 percentage in my board exams and got 82 percentile in JEE. I have always been curious about technology and how things work beyond textbooks. And that's what led me here to the Intellipat School of Technology.
So, most students in your position aim for IITs or BITS. Why did you choose IST instead?
Honestly, I thought deeply about what I wanted from college. Everyone around me was chasing CS just because it's trending. But the truth is, we don't need thousands of CS engineers doing the same thing. We need people who can actually solve real problems. IST stood out there because it gives you industry exposure at an early age. No other college I know offers 18 months of internship while you study. And in traditional colleges, especially in the first year, you are taught physics and chemistry, which doesn't help if your goal is to build a tech career. IST skips are necessary and makes you industry ready.
Was joining IST your own decision or something your parents wanted?
This was 100% my decision. It wasn't easy though. My parents were unsure. They asked me, why not a government college? Why not take the usual route? But I explained how IST is different, how it focuses on skills and not just marks. Once they saw how serious I was and understood the value of real world learning, they supported me, and I'm extremely grateful for that.
So, what excites you most about starting your journey with IST?
The internships for sure. I will be working on real projects, gaining actual experience, and not just studying theory. That's what excites me. It's not just about learning and attending classes, it's about building a future while you are still in college.
How did your family react when you told them you're choosing IST over IT or NIT?
In fact, they were surprised. For most parents, IIT or NIT is a dream. But I told them it's not about the name, it's about the outcome. IST prepares you for the job market. It gives you a head start. Eventually, they understood my perspective and were proud that I made this choice.
Do you think IST can give you better opportunities than IIT or NIT?
Yes, I do. A big college name is great, but in today's world, what you can do matters more than where you studied from. IST focuses on practical learning and on building real world skills. You graduate with experience and not just a mere degree, and that makes a huge difference.
Where do you see yourself 1 year from now because of IST?
I think a year from now, I would already have solid experience working in the industry, probably even some projects that are live or in use, while others still might be confused and focused on learning classrooms. I will be ahead, more confident, more accurate, and closer to the career I want to achieve.
And finally, what are you hoping to prove by taking this different path?
I want to prove that you don't have to follow the crowd to be successful. You can take a new route and still reach your goal, maybe even faster and better. I chose IST because I believe in learning by doing, and will prove that, and I want to show that thinking differently eventually pays off.
Okay, thank you so much.